What is the process for transferring my eBay gift card balance to my bank account?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that many of you have asked about: transferring your eBay gift card balance to your bank account. Unfortunately, I have to start with some bad news. Directly transferring eBay gift card balances to a bank account is not allowed according to eBay's terms and conditions. But don't worry. There are some workarounds that might help you get that balance in a more usable form.
What are eBay gift card policies?
It's essential to understand that eBay's policies state you cannot transfer the balance of an eBay gift card to another account, and they cannot be redeemed for cash, which includes transferring to a bank account. However, you can use the gift card balance for purchases on eBay's platform.
How can I use my eBay gift card?
The most straightforward way to make use of your eBay gift card balance is to purchase items on eBay. After you've added items to your cart and proceeded to checkout, there should be an option to apply your gift card balance towards the purchase. Simply enter the gift card number and PIN, and the balance will be deducted from the total cost of your purchase.
Can I convert my eBay gift card into cash?
While you can't directly transfer your eBay gift card balance to your bank account, you can sell the gift card on a gift card exchange website or a local marketplace. Please be aware that you usually won't get the full value of the card. Also, always exercise caution to avoid scams when selling a gift card. That wraps up our discussion on transferring eBay gift card balances to a bank account. Remember, while it's not possible to directly move the balance to a bank, there are alternatives to make the most out of your gift card. Stay safe and happy shopping on eBay.